24. Composing the image. Your thoughts and actions should take the mirror into account, even if it is one that you cannot see. So what Hume is obviously breaking down for us here is our ability in composing the image we want to see in the mirror. So if you want to receive gratitude, compose the image by showing gratitude. And what your reflection will give back to you is that you are appreciated. You want being admired by others. Compose the image by showing admiration. The reflection will give you that people admire you. Wow, isn't that so cool? You want people to understand you. Compose the image by trying to understand others. The reflection gives people understand you. It is so simple and so easy. But just like the previous lesson, 23, paper person, we are still challenged by so many aspects of being a human that we overcomplicate things in our minds and we forget how simple it actually is. And this is one of the things that I've learned being a reality transurfer. If I want something, I really need to be in the act of giving it consistently. And now when I see people that are struggling with their reality, struggling with making a living, struggling with their romantic situations, with their family, whatever it is, all the things that we typically struggle with as human beings, it is about the person not paying attention, not taking into account their own thoughts and actions towards the mirror. So a mirror, the world mirror, is a big reflective entity. It's not a singular person. So you can't just show one person an action or a thought. This is about you and expecting results. This is about you showing the mirror, the big, huge surface, a consistent set of thoughts and actions that will then present back to you the reflection that you want to see. And a lot of times people think that if they just give something to someone specific, then that person will give them something back. But the mirror is not a small one-on-one interaction. It is a big deal. You have to take your mirror into account with all your thoughts and actions. So below here, she has the image method. 1, catch yourself thinking, I want other people to give me something. 2, be fully present. Wanting is futile. You have to give. 3, ask yourself, what can I give that is the same? 4, if you find something similar, give it now and give it up front. 5, if you don't find something similar, then just give anyway. So this is, again, not about you giving in a manner that is going to deplete you. This is not you giving in a manner that you are expecting another person to give you back something in return. This is you giving to your mirror in a manner that is comfortable for you and in a way that you like to give, and giving the things that you want to receive back in return. So stay tuned to 25, communicating with the mirror.